here in Minnesota, sometimes it's nice to have a workbench that's attached to your vehicle. Never forget, Minnesota is Rust. Here in Minnesota's Rust, not too far from Clear Lake, Minnesota. We like to keep ourselves busy on a Sunday afternoon. Oh yeah. We've got two things to do with this guy. Number one, we're going to replace the one daytime running light that never stays working. That's okay. Number two, we got an alternator to drop in this guy. So let's, oh, right there. Oh yeah, it's getting noisy. I think we got a muffler that's starting to not muffle as much. Get you better MPGs though, right? Oh. Good used alternator being extracted. Extraction complete. It's funny, you know, the front of the motor is right here. Get all the space up to there for activities. Okay, do we need to pound something?
Nope.
Pound the little guy in?
Nope.
Oh, you think you're gonna get in there, huh?
Yep.
Do you want any dialectic on the... That's how it's done. Probably have to go here, that way. This is the professional way to install that.
Okay. It's good.
Yep, drive her away. Back her out. By the way, if you've ever had the privilege of changing a fuel regulator on an 0253, and you have the flex fuel, which this one is, the regulator costs like 4 times what the regular regulator does. I do not understand that one. Maybe more. I had to do that a while back. So we are pleasantly surprised that this is a big brand. Someone will have to correct me, but I don't know if there's any CarQuest stores anymore. Blessing beast to you. So I think that makes sense that the CarQuest. We searched online and they came up. I think it was AutoZone or Auto something.
It was Advanced Auto.
Advanced Auto. Isn't it? It's about the same thing, maybe.
Well, yeah.
So this guy is it going in?
Maybe.
Nope, she froze.
Yeah.
She gave up. Ooh, ooh.
Oh. Well, yeah, I hit it with a hammer.
Oh. This guy. He's got the 2-liners. What else can we hit it with? Your face! Let's break our brand new $38 plus shipping. We're getting there. So it just has. Yes, this just has the plug in the back and the wire for.
Don't leave it exactly where it is.
For your battery. That's hot. Oh, don't lick it. Any eternity.
Oh my goodness. He's
1 bolt.
He's back.
2 bolts. And then there's the 1 wire behind there that goes right to a little red magic box, which goes to our battery. Ooh, Super Start, Easy Start, Max. Oh, Ever Start? That's what they're called.
Ever Start, Easy Start.
And then
what
there's
is
the
that? What?
4-pin connector. Is it 4 pins?
Not more than that.
More 6, 9. There's a bunch of pins.
Maybe it's a 7.
There's a bunch of pins in that connector right there. It goes right in. Now, you see how that connector? It is that direction. On this guy, the connector is also that direction.
Did you not think it was that direction?
No, because remember on the 01, the other one, it's sideways. And it plugs in like the back of it.
No, well, that one's
original one?
that one. Remember the original one's not original. It's been redone.
It's been rebuilt, but
Yes, so they would have put a different.
nope,
Back.
nope. Super quick, short, sweet. That is as easy as that. That's all the wrenches you need. For your tensioner, for the bolt on the back, and then for the bolts in the front. There we go, she's good. Yes, I paid $33 for a new alternator. No warranty, we get 30 days, I think. Don't need to worry about that. Here is the other guy. So it was a Delphi, whatever. I think if it says the DR44, then it's the 145 amp. I think this is only 130 maybe. Okay, sticker's gone, so we'll never know. The world will never know. No, this thing's got miles on it, but it's good. Good alternator. So we'll probably order another one, see if we get another one of the same, and then we'll have a spare for that. So, yep, good thing there. Okay, back on the road. We built, the young scribe of the channel built an adapter to use those plow mounts, so we can put a push bar in the front, so we can put our winch in the front, so you can put a couple things in the front. So it works pretty good. Needs some paint, but we were just trying it out. So, no, it's nice. Okay, we'll see if that DRL works. The connectors on these things get so grimy because like the voltage is screwed up on them. Every one of these 99 to 06.
Well, and the next gen, they do the same thing too, which is funny.
Yeah, we've got a 10 and a couple others in the family that they like to do the same thing. So
yeah, we're ready for all of them.
So if we need to get a pigtail, we'll get a pigtail, but not today. It's got a fresh bulb, so we'll see if it works. Final thoughts?
I'm ready to go home.
Yeah, it's been a long 2 days working in the shop. 6 o'clock, 6:15 on a Sunday. Oh, let's listen to the guy. Oh, she works. Got a little noise. Like I said, we might order another one just to be sure. Okay, Minnesota is roast.